Alright, we're back. A little bit of a different video. We're actually going to see my grandpa today, who has a caravan he is looking to get rid of. So I'm hoping I can get that and bring it home. And then we should be able to start like a little caravan renovation series, which would be pretty sick, I reckon. I don't even know, I have no idea what the caravan looks like or how good condition it's in or if it's even roadworthy. So fingers crossed that we can get that. But got my like 9 o'clock class in a second, and then we'll go there. It's like a 2.5 hour drive, so it's gonna be a while, but that's right. But yeah, so it should be pretty cool. I don't know if I'll take my camera to film the caravan, but if we get it, I'll show you when we're back here. So let's head out. Much better. Alright, we got the caravan. It's right here. I'll show you in a second. It was a pain to get home, but I'm not going to keep talking. I'll just show you. Boom. There it is. It's a Jayco Starcraft. No idea the year. It's quite dirty if you actually get up close. I don't know if you can actually see that, but yeah, it's pretty manky. So needs a good clean. It is a pop top. It's got solar panels. Got the keys here. There we go. Come inside. Whoa. And that is the inside. So we've got 2 single beds here, an upside down microwave. We'll come down here so you can see the other end. Got a little wardrobe. Then we've got a little dining area with a table. We've got an oven and a fridge, a gas stove, some lights that don't work too well. You can see it didn't really light up my hand, but it is a pop top, so it might look small, but if we set this up, ow, like that, push it up, lock it in. Oh gosh, just focusing on that. There we go. And then push this one up. Push that in. Give it a little lock. Boom. We can stand up fully in here. Stand up fully. Turn this light on. That didn't work. There we go. Stand up fully. Got the full roof. It just needs like a good clean. You can sort of see here. It's just like dirty. Sugar soap will get all this off. Do have like a couple ideas for the caravan, so we're gonna take out these beds, put the bed horizontal, probably put a double bed or a queen if it fits. I don't think a queen's gonna fit, but a double bed for sure. There's already PowerPoints down there, and we'll have it so the bed can tilt up, so we can put storage underneath it. And then what else are we gonna do? Oh, it's got carpet, so take that out. And then we're also thinking we could like vinyl wrap all of the cupboards, because you can't really paint this stuff. It kind of just ruins it. Oh, the door shut. Spooky. Can't really paint this stuff because it ruins it, so we'll just like take them off and vinyl wrap them. Yeah, that's all like laminate, as you can see here. So probably just all wrap it in a nice color. I have no idea the color yet. The outside's in like, that's better. The outside is in like meh condition. You know, if I really wanted to, I could paint it. Oh, the first thing I'm gonna do is pressure wash this thing because it's dirty. But then I'll like get everything out. All the cupboards have got shit in them. Like, it's just got random cords and all that stuff. So we'll take everything out. The beds, these single beds, are just going to be used as dog beds. They're going to love those. And then, yeah, just start stripping stuff out. Clean it up. Use some sugar soap to wash everything. And then maybe vinyl wrap the stuff that we want. Maybe put in a new tap or something. I don't know. I don't even know what system is in here, to be honest. So we'll figure it all out But yeah, that is the Caravan. You get a pretty good look from there. Table, all that stuff. So we'll try and keep the videos regular. There'll probably be one of me tomorrow. Probably just cleaning, like pressure washing. We have a dumpster here, so it's gonna be a good time to get all the junk out of here. Honestly, there isn't that much stuff. Like, my grandpa gave it to me. In here, there's a pan, but it's brand new, hasn't been used. So there is lots of new stuff like that in here. So just got to go through it all, find the good stuff, make sure everything is working, get some LEDs or something to make these a bit brighter. But yeah, that will be this video, and we'll maybe post another one tomorrow.